Oh my God. Now let's go see it under the telescope. Look at put it in there. And guys, look. We can see stuff now. Remember we got an ant? Want to see it in? Lilia and Talia, learning fun. I think elephant was supposed to come in. Hooray! Woo! Hi, elephant. Hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you, nice elephant, the butt down. Lily, the elephant's cracking my dress. Oh, and thank you again. Oh, left. Super thank you. Whoa, whoa. Science. Oh no, wrong way. Wow. Science kit. Yeah, it's a science kit. Oh, guys, look at this. We can look through it and see the stuff. And this, this is something we can look at. And look, we have a camera to put it on the computer for us to see it without us looking inside. Instead, we could see on the computer. Isn't that cool? Now let's see. Brain shrimp eggs? There are shrimp eggs in here. Oh, ho, ho. They must be hatching or something. Whoa! A computer for us to see the things in. Thank you. Thank you, elephant. Thank you, elephant. Whoa! Open it. Whoa, it's a science kit. Look, it shows you how to put it on the computer. And this shows us too, in this page. Now let's see what's inside. This is so cool. Whoa, look at this. The camera. That's go outside and find stuff to see in the microscope. Yay, come on, let's go. No, wait. Woo. You have to clean stuff, okay? Come on, let's go. Someone give me something to collect it with. No. Give me something to collect it with. No. Here we go. Thank you. Where is it? Here. It's all back on there. Caught it. Let's get this one. The little one. Oh my God. Open it for me. Okay? Okay, look at it. Oh my God. Now let's go see it under the telescope. Look at it in there. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, it's Lilia! No, that's a red ant. Okay, don't put it in here. This is the ant section because there's an ant trying to get out. Thank you. No. Look at this ant. Oh, where is it? Up here. Isn't that cool? Bye-bye, Adam.
She's here.
Oh, that's what we caught. Are we going to catch it with this?
I kissed her.
Well, we need the mic. This is a camera so we can see it with our eyes and with the camera. And for us to see it, we have to connect everything. And then we go here to Microscope. We press it to see. We go to camera.
This is missing.
You put it in there. And guys, look. We can see stuff now. Remember we got an ant? Want to see it in? Let's see. We need a tool. Wow. Why is it turning dark? Huh? Oh, there it is. I think it was my finger blocking it. I'm gonna put the flower in. Now where is that flower? We need a little bit of something. Is there something wrong? We're smart. We can look. We put a bubble and look at the bubbles. They look so cool. Whoa. They look rainbow. They look so cool close. I can't believe it. All those tiny bubbles I can barely see. And look, they just look like a light. It just looks like a light. That's so cool. Let's see some different stuff now. Let's see how cool they look like. Talia! 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 Let's put all of these and see that. Look, we got some little stuff to see.
Which one?
Let's take it. Wait, no. Not like that. Wow.
I want to take it.
It's okay. You can give them to me one by one. Let's take the bubbles off and see them.
I want red.
What do you want to see? You want to see... Wait, Talia, no?
What is that?
Why don't you want to see... You want to see a fly?
Yeah?
Let's see it. You can see. Oh, you can see. Please hit like and subscribe.